Welcome back to my channel. It's Curls Next Door here. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. First of all, I want to wish you all a bright and prosperous new year 2022. I hope you get everything your heart desires, and I wish you all the best. I celebrated my birthday month in December, as we all know, and I am super excited to show you 5 brand new perfumes that I have added to my collection. I did purchase these items on board Carnival cruise ship, and they were at the lowest possible price ever. So on this particular cruise, we had 2 sea days, and on board, everything was drastically discounted. These items were way cheaper than if I had purchased them at Macy's or at Saks or at Nordstrom's. So I decided to go ahead and pick up some perfumes to add to my collection. The first item that I picked up is this Gucci FLORA Gorgeous Gardenia Eau de Parfum. This is such a beautiful fragrance, and this was actually a blind buy for me. I had never smelled this before. When I saw that this had brown sugar added to it, it was a no-brainer for me. I had to go ahead and pick this up. Again, as you all know, I am not a big fan of jasmine, but this is jasmine done right. The liquid in here is blended to perfection. I love the way it smells. It is very sweet, very sexy. It is a very sensual type of fragrance, if you ask me. This actually came in a set of 2. I think that this is going to be a compliment getter. I have only worn this twice, and that was on the ship to dinner at nights. I did receive a couple compliments, but I had not worn this to work or in another setting besides on that cruise ship. So I cannot wait to go ahead and use this one. And I mean, it smells, it's just a very captivating scent. And I love this. And I'm so happy that I was able to add this to my collection. So the next item that I picked up is this Ralph Lauren Romance. Another blind buy. I had never smelled this one before. This is definitely a floral scent with a little bit of musk in it. I can get a hint of maybe rose or some type of floral note in here. And it's a little bit on the musky side, which definitely makes this very sexy. I love the way this smells. I had the opportunity to wear this to work, and compliment getter for sure. This also came in a set. This also has a sprayer, so it makes it easier for travel. I'm so happy that I picked this up. I know I'm gonna love this for a long time. This is definitely a crowd pleaser for sure. The next perfume that I picked up on my vacation was the TORY BURCH AZUR Eau de Parfum. And I picked this up because I just felt like I would like this. Right off the top, there is a burst of citrus in the opening. Maybe a little bit of floral in here, but it is definitely something that will awaken your senses. It's such a beautiful, clean, straight out of the shower fragrance, if you ask me. I will definitely also use this for vacation. It is a little bit salty in my personal opinion. Something that I can take on a beach vacation with me. And yeah, so I cannot wait to use this one. The next perfume that I picked up on my vacation was the Viva La Juicy La Fleur. This one is definitely not new to a lot of people, but it is new to me, and I really love the way this one smells. I love the way that they decorate every single bottle. They're so classy and gorgeous looking. A lot of people say that Viva La Juicy is geared towards more of a younger crowd. Guess what? I got news for you. I am young at heart, and as long as I like the scent of a perfume in a bottle, I will continue to buy it regardless of age. You all know that I am not a big fan of floral, but this is definitely such a beautiful floral perfume. I know that there is some type of citrus in here, and I can definitely smell a hint of sweet from maybe vanilla or some type of a caramel. It's definitely so good. This is a very feminine, very sexy fragrance. Sweet, beautiful, and floral, and I'm happy that I picked this one up on a whim. It's definitely gonna stay with me for a long time. And finally, another Juicy Couture perfume that I picked up is this Wee Splash. Very lovely. Again, such a gorgeous looking bottle. You can't lose with Juicy Couture, especially for fragrances for the spring and summertime. This is beautiful. This is fresh. It's clean. It's fruity. A little bit of florals in here, and it's just really such a beautiful spring and summer fragrance, in my opinion. I haven't worn this one just yet, but I know the compliments are going to be coming my way once I start using this one. Right now, the temperature is a little bit on the more cooler side here in Florida, so I'm going to put this one away, but definitely I'll be bringing this one out come spring and summer. So gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this one. Guys, that is it for my birthday haul. I love all the items that I picked up on my birthday trip, on my vacation, and I know that I'm gonna have such fun using those perfumes. So I hope that you leave me a comment down below if you've used any of these. Let me know what you like about it. Let me know what you didn't like about it. And again, like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And until my next video, I love you, God bless you, and I'll see you soon.